ಹಲೋ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ, ಈ ಒಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ನಿಮ್ಮ MCOM ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವಂತಹ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವಂತಹ ಏನು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಎದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮರ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ ಅಥವಾ ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮರ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. 5 ರೀತಿ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳಿವೆ. ಸೊ ಅವುಗಳ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ನ ನಾವು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ವಿತ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ನ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಮೊದಲನೇದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆಫ್ ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮರ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್. ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಬೈ ಬೈಯಿಂಗ್ ಬಿಹೇವಿಯರ್. ಸೊ ಅವರ ಏನು ಖರೀದಿಯ ಗುಣವರ್ತನೆ ಇದೆ, ಸೊ ವಸ್ತುಗಳನ್ನ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡುವ ವರ್ತನೆ ಇದೆ, ಅದರ ಮೇಲೆ ವಿಧಗಳು. ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಫೋಕಸಸ್ ಆನ್ ಹೌ, ವೈ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವೆನ್ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಸ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್. ಲಾಯಲ್ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಸ್, highly committed to a brand. These customers often represent less than 20% of the base but generate a major portion of revenue. Impulse shoppers, purchase products on whim without a specific goal, often influenced by immediate emotions or in-store displays. Bargaining hunters, discount customers, driven by price and sales, they look for the best deals and are likely to switch brands for better value. Need-based customer, driven by a specific immediate need to fulfill a requirement, they are focused and less likely to be influenced by upselling. Wandering or looking customers, often browse without a clear purchasing intention, sometimes motivated by the social experience of shopping. New customers or potential customers, individuals who have recently engaged with the brand for the first time or are considering buying, requiring engagement to become loyal. Next question, classification by segment fact sorry the classification by second topic by factors ಅಂದರೆ ಪ್ರಭಾವ ಬೀರುವ ಅಂಶದ ಮೇಲೆ ವಿಧಗಳು. Marketers divide the overall markets into smaller groups based on specific characters. Demographic segmentation, based on quantifiable statistics like age, gender, income level, education and occupation. Psychographic segmentation, based on consumer attitudes, values, interest, lifestyle and opinions. For example, eco-conscious consumers. Behavioral segmentation, based on interaction with products such as brand loyalty, usage rate and readiness to buy. Geographic segmentation, based on locations such as region, climate, population density. Classification by consumer goods product type. Consumers are often classified by the type of products they consume, which determines their purchasing patterns. So customer ಖರೀದಿ ಆಧಾರದ ಮೇಲೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಸ್ ವಿಧಗಳ ಆಧಾರದ ಮೇಲೆ ವಿಧಗಳು. Fast moving consumer goods, low cost items purchased frequently such as food, beverages and toiletries. Consumer durables, items with a long shelf life such as furniture, electronics and vehicles purchased less frequently. Convenience goods, purchased regularly with minimal effort like toothpaste. Specialty luxury goods, high-end, unique or niche items where the consumer is less price sensitive and brand loyal. Modern consumer classification. Recent trends have introduced new ways to classify the consumers. Prosumers, consumers. So consumers who are also producers of information, often reviving or customizing products, significantly influencing others. Digital natives, tech savvy consumers who prefer online shopping and social media interactions. Affordability first consumers, frugal value conscious shoppers focus on essential goods and cost saving. Planet first consumers, ethically driven shoppers who prioritize sustainability and social responsibility in their purchases. Next question, second question, explain how consumers make buying decision. Answer, need problem recognition. The process begins with a consumer identification, a need of or a problem triggered by internal stimuli or external stimuli. For example, internal hunger, thirst. For external, for example, advertising, seeing a friend new product. Information search, the consumer seeks information to solve the problem utilizing personal sources, commercial sources, public sources, or experimental searches. Evaluation of alternatives. The consumer compares the options within their consideration set based on attributes like price, quality, style, and features. Purchase decision. The consumer decides to buy the most preferred brand, but the purchase can still be influenced by the factors like negative feedback from other or unexpected situation factors. For example, stock unavailability. Post purchase evaluation. After using the product, the consumer determines if it met or exceeds expectations, with which influences future purchasing behavior and brand loyalty. So these are two important questions. We will discuss next topic in a next video. Thank you.